There's kind of three big frameworks that I want you guys to kind of keep in your head when it comes to how the decision makers that you guys support, who are ultimately the sponsors of your products, how they measure your ROI without really maybe even telling you. And the first one is how fast are the data-driven decisions being made from your analytics? So there's always a question of confidence in the analytic products. That's fine. We could talk about how to do that all day. That's basically built on a lot of testing. So you'll find that actually making the analytic product is not as important as making the tests and the SLAs and the instrumentation to support it. There's also another ROI framework of how other teams measure your ROI. So that's through budget allocation, that's through resources. They may not tell you per se what it's worth verbally or maybe overtly, but it absolutely gets shouted from the heavens when it comes to budget allocation or resource allocation for that particular year. And then finally, the one I really love and I think makes a lot of sense is actually what we call the DataOps approach. And that's measure everything like it's complex manufacturing. And so, we have lived in a technology age where we think what we're doing is special, it's bespoke, it's really unique. And I think the analytics industry is really on the precipice of realizing what they need to do is something more akin to complex manufacturing. So that's Kaizen, that's all the lean processes, that's Sigma 6, that's all that kind of stuff when it comes to your data and analytics supply chain.